What's up, you guys? It's Brandi. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm bringing you part 2 to my builder base nail tutorial. If you have not checked out part 1, I will leave it in the description box below for you to check that video out first, because I show you how I go about removing the gel polish that I had on, as well as the top layer of the builder base, and prepping my nails and cuticles for today's video, which is going to be how I apply builder base in a gel manicure. So first we're going to go in with a nail primer. Now this one's by Orly. I got it in a set, which is why I'm using it. But if you have a favorite nail primer of yours, feel free to use that. The purpose of a nail primer is pretty much to make sure that whatever you're going to be putting on top of it, like the builder base in this video, it allows it to adhere to your nails better, so you don't have lifting or anything like that. So I just apply a very thin coat of this on there. You do not have to cure this. You just allow it to air dry for a little bit before going in with your next product. Now I'm going to be using the Nail Thoughts Peach Builder Base for this video. Absolutely love her so much. I think her name is Katie Masters. She's on here on YouTube. I've learned so much from her, and she has a whole line of gel polishes as well as builder bases out. So I highly recommend that you check her out. This ain't sponsored or nothing, but I've just found that her products work really well for me. I'm able to keep my manicures for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Now, going in with the builder base, we are going to apply a very thin coat onto the full nail, which is called a slip layer. Now this is very important that you do not get any of it on your skin, any on the side walls or anything like that, because wherever you've put that slip layer, the nice bead that I'm now applying onto the nail is going to go in that direction. So it's a slip layer, which means it's going to follow wherever that slip layer was. I am applying probably like a pea-sized amount of the product over that slip layer, and then I'm going to take a nail brush to just kind of help the product move where I want it to be. Now, when applying the product, you want to make sure that you're focusing most of that product in the center of your nail, which is called the apex. That is the stress point of your nail, which is easiest and most likely to break. So that is where you want to put most of this builder gel so it can protect that area of the nail. I keep my free edge at the tip of the nail as well as the cuticle area pretty thin and low, because I want it to mimic a real nail. Then after I have it all, done up how I want it to be in the place that I want it to be, I am going to immediately cure that for 30 seconds because you want to make sure it does not further move. Now this product works really well because it doesn't move. It's not as viscous as some products, but it also isn't as thick as some products. So I like the consistency of it. It allows me to still work quickly, but I don't have to work super fast before it's, all over the place. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply it to 1 or 2 more of my nails. Like I said, if you want a more in-depth video tutorial on how to do this, definitely check out Nail Thoughts, her account on here, because she has tons of videos on do's and don'ts and really good tricks to help you figure out how to do this. And also, I forgot to tell you guys, after you move the product where you want it, you want to turn your fingernail upside down for a few seconds just so that product can float to the center before you cure it. And I'm also just showing you guys some side profile views of how I want mine to look, because my nails are pretty short, so I don't have to build mine up as much as if I had longer nails. This works better for like short to medium nails. So after I've cured all of that, I then go in with some isopropyl alcohol just to take off that sticky layer before going in with my gel polish. Now I absolutely love Red Manicure nail polish. I've been using this brand for a very long time. I love the consistency of it, the pigmentation in it, and all of that. And I never have any issues with chipping or the color dulling. And today we're going to be using the color Ready to Party because I wanted to switch it up. I'm a very neutral girl, but for some reason I just, I was in the mood for something spicy. So I'm sure you guys have seen many videos on how to apply gel polish and all of that. I go in with a good layer on top, do all of my nails, and then cure that for about 30 seconds, then go in with the second layer. I am very meticulous when it comes to my manicures and things like that. So I am in there, with my magnifying glass, pretty much looking at every angle of it, making sure it is not on the skin, because you do not want these products to be cured on the skin. You're making sure that you are cleaning it up as you go and all of that. And I'm also making sure that the product is on the free edge of my nail as well, because that's where it tends to kind of like rub off the fastest. So I put it all over the free edge as well to kind of cap it, and then go in with my second layer. So I'm gonna let you guys just enjoy some nice chill music while you watch me paint my nails, and I will hop back on once we're done. Okay, so after applying 2 layers of the color, you want to go in with a top coat. You can use any brand that you like, but again, I love the red manicure because I find that it does not dull over time. And I'm just going to apply a nice thin layer of this, also capping that free edge as well to make sure that that color does not chip or fade from the edge. And then I'm going to cure all of my nails for at least 60 seconds. All right, you guys, so that is what the nails look like. I did go in and cure them for another 30 seconds. I'm someone who's like a little bit paranoid. I'm like, the more time that I cure them, the longer they're gonna last. That's so not true, but I tell myself that all the time. So I'm just showing you guys what the nails look like. Look at the shine on the nails. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then lastly, the last step, well, second to last step that I take is wiping them off with isopropyl alcohol, because my gel polish is a wipe. If you have a no wipe, then you can skip that step, but do not skip this next step, okay? Put some cuticle oil on them cuticles, okay? And also the nails themselves, okay? Because they need nourishment. You've taken them through a lot with drilling, filing, and all of that. So you need to put the moisture back into the nails, into the nail bed, all of that. So apply that all over, put some hand cream, and boom, you got a nice gel manicure, okay? So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, show your girl some love. If you are not a part of the family, click that subscribe button and join the family, because I have tons more content coming your way. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.